Hey guys, Tyler here. I've been having a blast flying the Mavic Mini, and I want to share with you guys the great footage you can capture using the Mavic Mini's Quickshots. So as you can see, today I'm on the coast here at the Scituate Lighthouse in Massachusetts. In this really quick video, I'm going to be breaking down for you all 4 of the Mavic Mini Quickshot presets. Stick around till the end to see the edited video that I've created. The advantage of using the Quickshots are they are completely pre-programmed, and all you really need to do is get the drone into its initial position, highlight the focal point, and press start. The Mavic Mini literally does the rest. With the Mini, the 4 Quickshots do give you access to active tracking. So whatever you're choosing to highlight in your quick shot footage will stay nicely centered and in focus. Once you've positioned the drone and chosen the quick shot type and the preset distance, you press start and the drone will automatically start filming, so you don't need to worry about that either. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in similar content to this, please check out my channel and don't forget to subscribe.